Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to return or exchange items purchased through the Bershka application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store and download the Bershka app. When guys you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where you have plenty of how-to Bershka videos where you can guys see how you can do this. Now guys, when we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the Bershka application where you have a lot of different options. First of all, we have the home screen where you have the promotions, sales and everything. So basically they want to promote their things here on the home screen of their application. Also, we have the search bar where you can go in and write anything you want. So you can write jackets, dresses, whatever you want to buy. We have the most searched things, and we have some things that they think that we might like on this app. Also, we have the menu. We have the women menu, men menu, and the teen menu. So basically you can go through these menus and see the clothes, shoes, or accessories, or whatever you want to buy. We have the basket where all of the things that you want to buy will appear here in one place. And your favorite things that you favorited will be in the top right corner of the screen, as you can see. Also, here we have everything about your account, your purchases, personal details and addresses. You have the contact, settings, and the logout options. But now guys, let's see how to return or exchange items purchased through the Bershka application. So basically what you need to do is go and follow these two steps to know how to do it. So just enter my account and then go to order section. For drop-off returns, you'll need to select that return option via your account and package the items you wish to return. You won't even need to print a receipt. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.